Welcome to the Excel Essentials for Early Childhood Educators. This course is designed specifically for educators who are looking to enhance their classroom management and instructional materials using Microsoft Excel. Throughout this course, you will explore the essential features and functions of Excel that are most relevant to early childhood education. We'll cover a range of topics and techniques that will help you organize, analyze, and present data in a meaningful way. Here's a brief overview of what each module will cover. Module 1. Spreadsheets for Teaching and Learning. Understand what Excel is and how it can be used to support teaching and learning in the classroom. Explore practical examples of how Excel can help with lesson planning, tracking learner progress, and more. Module 2. Microsoft Excel Fundamentals. Learn how to launch Excel and navigate the startup screen. Familiarize yourself with the Excel interface, including understanding rows, columns, and workbooks. Discover how to save, open, and use common Excel shortcut keys to streamline your work. Module 3. Entering and editing text and basic formulas. Practice entering text and numeric data to create titles, labels, and values. Explore basic formulas to perform simple calculations and automate data processing. Module 4. Modifying an Excel worksheet. Learn how to move, copy, insert, and delete rows and columns. Adjust column widths, row heights, and manage worksheet visibility. Rename, delete, and organize worksheets within your workbook. Module 5. Formatting data in an Excel worksheet. Explore various formatting options to make your data more readable and visually appealing. Learn to format cells with font styles, colors, borders, and apply number formats such as currency, percentage, and date. Module 6. Inserting shapes, images, and smart art. Discover how to enhance your worksheets by adding shapes, images, and smart art graphics. Learn how to use these elements to make your educational materials more engaging and interactive. Module 7. Creating basic charts in Excel. Learn how to create and customize column and pie charts to visually represent data. Explore how to modify chart elements, format charts, and move them to different worksheets. Module 8. Printing an Excel worksheet. Understand how to prepare your worksheets for printing by using Print Preview. Adjust margins, scaling, and orientation, and learn how to print specific ranges of cells. Learning outcomes. By the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of Excel's interface and basic functionalities, be able to create, modify, and format Excel worksheets to meet your classroom needs. Use Excel to track learner data, create engaging visual materials, and simplify administrative tasks. Feel confident in preparing and printing worksheets for classroom use. We are excited to help you leverage Excel to enhance your teaching practice.